Today I'm at 12 Shilson Terrace. It's a lovely property. It's end terrace. As you can see, it's got a sunroom on the side. There is 3 bedrooms and a living room and a dining room and a kitchen extension. There is also a garage and some parking and a front garden. You are raised above the road and you're close to the local schools. The property does need some work doing to it. So if you're interested, have a look at the video, then book a viewing.